ZEN is a modular multi-tool by Ant design where you can replace the implements, and in that sense is very similar to the ZEN and Flex system where you can also replace. So one question that people have is, are they interchangeable? The answer is no. There's several differences in the system. One is that the locking notch is on the opposite side. The other difference is that the pivot size is different. So in the Flex is smaller and is larger. So this will not fit in the Ant design system. As much as you want to try, this will not fit. I tried. But however, with that said, you can install one of these in the Flex, but only in the open position. So imagine if you want to install it like that, and it will even lock. So you can use the tool, the Ant design tool in the Flex system. However, you cannot fold it properly. It's not going to work for folding. Let me put it here in a correct place. So in this open position it kind of works, but if you are going to fold it, it's going to be loose and it's going to fall off. So bottom line, no, they are not compatible. If in a pinch you need to use this handle with this tool, you could theoretically. So you could carry this tool and install it temporarily, but it's not going to fold properly. So I will recommend to do that. It's just more of a curiosity that it kind of fits in one direction and not in the other. If they were to be interchangeable, that would be fantastic, because you could basically swap them around. And I don't think you could mod these tools to fit here. I guess you could enlarge a pivot and maybe make a notch, but I don't know if it's worth it. It could be worth exploring, maybe. Basically, the idea will be, I don't know. I don't think it's gonna work, because you kind of need this on the opposite side and this much larger. It will be a major change, and it may not work in all the different tools. So that's kind of my conclusion. You cannot interchange the ZEN with the ZEN. Thank you for watching.